Welcome to Aruba Instant On. Instant On is a low-cost, high-quality network designed for small businesses, anything less with 100 users per site. If you need a larger network, then I suggest you go check out our enterprise products at www.arubanetworks.com. But I have here some Instant On equipment, a switch and 2 access points. So why don't you say we see what's in the box? As we open it up, the first thing I'm greeted with is a quick start guide, basically giving me the information on where to download the app in order to configure it. The next thing is warranty, safety, and regulatory information package. We can open up the accessory tray, and what we have in here is a power cord for the switch, as well as the rack mounting kit if I'm going to put it in a rack. And finally, we get to open the switch itself. Such a beautiful device. All of my Ethernet ports and my SFP ports here, the lighting structure for when I set it up, and if I'll turn it around, there's the plug for the power port in the back. Let's take a look at an AP. This is an Aruba Instant On AP12, but all of the APs again are the same. So I open up the box. Oh look, here's my quick start guide showing me how to configure it, where to get the app for the configuration. Again, warranty and safety information, and then my access point. Such a nice little beautiful access point. Here are the lights that I'll use for indicators to see status once I start setting it up. On the back is an Ethernet port where I'll plug the Ethernet into, optional external power supply here. Additionally, in the box, I have 2 mounting kits, one for a wall plate and one for ceiling tile, and also under here is an Ethernet cable for use in directly connecting the access point to a switch if necessary. All of our indoor access points have the same out-of-box experience, but this is an Aruba AP17, designed for outdoor. As I open it up, I'm greeted with the now familiar quick start guide and regulatory information. The access point is constructed a little bit differently because it's designed to be outside in the weather. The indicator light is behind this right here, which will blink green and amber as appropriate, and your Ethernet connection is actually up here under this weatherized cover. Also in the box, you have a weatherized Ethernet Connect security device, as well as an anchor point for your outdoor installation. Why don't we go ahead and set up our indoor network? Setup is really easy once we're ready to go. All I gotta do is start with plugging into the switch into power, standard 110 outlet. The switch will power up right away and you'll start to see that via the lights blinking. Next thing I want to do is just go ahead and plug in the connection from my internet router or the rest of my network into any of the ports. I'm using my Ethernet port in this space. Once I have that done, all I need to do is connect the access point. So I take my supplied Ethernet cable, again plugging it into any of my Ethernet ports, and I just go ahead and plug the Ethernet cable into the back of the access point. Again, once I do that, lights will start to light up, show me that I'm connected, and once I wait a few minutes for the lights to be in the proper configuration, I'll be able to begin configuration and setup. While you're waiting, it's a good time to download and install the Aruba Instant On mobile app. Go to the App Store for your device and find Aruba Instant On. Download it, open it up, then you can create an account, then you'll be all set up and ready to go. Now, I'm all set up. I already have the app installed, and I have my stack ready with the lights are ready to be configured. I was going to show you how easy it is, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my daughter show you how easy it is.
So to start, we're going to have to set up a new site, so let's hit continue. We're going to have to select the device, and I'm pretty sure we both have an access point and a switch, so we're going to click that and then continue, and then make sure we have pick between those two, and I'm pretty sure we already have an existing network, so continue on that. And then to plug in, connect everything, I'm pretty sure my dad already did that, so I can technically skip that step. And then Just wait for a few minutes and find your device. So we have 2 devices found, so we're going to add devices, and well, for a network name you can choose anything. My favorite fruit is watermelon, so I'm going to have to do that. And then for the network password, and then select your country and activate it, and it's done. Okay, Dad, I finished.
My indoor network is all set up, but now I want to do my outdoor. I've installed my AP17 outside and connected it to power over Ethernet. However, it's not connected to a network anywhere. I'm going to add it to Instant On using the mesh feature. This could not be any easier. From the main screen, click on the menu, and you can simply add a new device. In this instance, I want to make sure that search over-the-air outdoor devices is included, because that will look for them via a wireless connection. Just like otherwise, all I have to do now is search. Aruba Instant On will find the device. It may take a few minutes. Identify it, and just like normal, you could add it to your device. And now my network is extended to the outside as well. There, wasn't that so easy to set up? If you want to know more, simply go to arubainstant.on.com.